The use of shared or embedded dashboards in Spider Impact allows you to expand how you can share a dashboard beyond the standard Send To options by either sharing a live direct web link to a dashboard or embedding a dashboard in a third-party web portal like SharePoint. In this case, I have a dashboard called Sales versus Expenses that I'm very pleased with. Aesthetically, it meets the desires of my intended audience. It provides hover over live access to distinct numbers for different time periods in the graphs in the upper right, and all the speedometers along the bottom empower drill-through access to the underlying scorecard element as represented in the dashboard along the bottom for operating expenses. To share this with colleagues outside of Spider Impact, I simply go to the Send To dropdown in the upper right and scroll past the options of printer, email, Word, PowerPoint, PDF, and PNG, all of which create static versions of this dashboard, and instead select the Shared Dashboard option. In creating the shared dashboard, I do need to pause and define what calendar periodicity I'd like to employ in summarizing the information on this graph. The dropdown will include all of the time periods or calendar periods set within Spider Impact. In this case, I'll just leave it at monthly. I am also going to leave the type at relative because I want this dashboard to always reflect the current period when the dashboard is published. I do alternatively have an option to select by date and lock the dashboard into one specific historical period of time. For this case, I will leave it at relative and set at current period, although again, I do have the option to select different periods earlier or later than the current period. I'll then click the Create Link button to provide myself with two avenues to share this dashboard. If I want to share this dashboard with people that I can send an email web address to, I simply copy the Share link here, right-click, copy it, and then embed that into an email and send the email. To give you a sense what the recipient receives, when receiving the email that I've sent, they will get a simple link to my dashboard page, and upon clicking on that link, it will automatically open a browser for them and show them that dashboard. Working from the upper right, please note that I have created the dashboard in October of 2023, so that time period is reflected in the upper right. But all of the interactivity inherent in the dashboard is alive and kicking on this dashboard. I can hover over the graphs in the upper right-hand corner, and again, I can drill through any of the speedometers in the bottom to access the scorecard and the detailed information found therein. Back to Spider Impact and my opportunity to share this dashboard, the other choice here is an HTML code that you can employ within a web portal. To show how this HTML code can be used to embed the dashboard in a web portal, again, I will copy the HTML code. In this case, I'll jump over to an iframe tester application and paste the script of my iframe into the web tester application and click Run. And I'll see over on the right, the iframe element that I desire, which of course is my dashboard, is again represented here. Again, it's live in terms of its interactivity, hover capabilities, and again, drill through capabilities into the underlying scorecard. Hopefully this video shows you how you can use standard or embedded dashboards from Spider Impact to expand how you share a dashboard beyond the standard Send To options available within Spider Impact.